Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to share your Discord profile link. First, open the Discord app and click on the settings. Then scroll down and click on advanced. Make sure that the developer mode is on. Then escape and go to any server and send a message. Now click on your profile, click on it and go to the three dots and click on copy user ID. Then open the notepad and type discord.com forward slash users forward slash and user your ID which you have copied. Copy the link. This is the link now you can use for your profile. Open the Google and paste the link, and now you can see that the link is working and it leads to my own profile. Thank you.